All right, property research demo. Say you want to move to Atlanta, safe neighborhood. Here's your budget. Let's see what Manus AI can do for us. All right, looks like Manus is working. It's thinking, I'll help find suitable properties in Atlanta that meet your criteria for safety, good schools, and your budget. I'll research safe neighborhoods in Atlanta to identify areas with quality schools for both middle school and kindergarten, identify properties within your price range. This may take some time as I gather comprehensive information for you. Starting to research Atlanta properties based on safety, schools, and budget requirements. So Manus is an autonomous AI agent. Writes his own code, scrapes the web, builds reports, and even within the reports that it builds, if I remember correctly, it'll give you the documentation, all the files, it'll give you the sources. So let's check this out. Let's hope this doesn't take. I'm not sure how long this will take. Determining housing budget based on user. I'll probably have to speed this up. Let's see. Terminal error. Trying to do the high server slow. Try that for a few minutes. Oh, I thought I paused, but it kept going. Okay, thank you for your response. I need a bit more specific information to help your property search in Atlanta. Let me continue by researching suitable property based on your requirements for safety, good schools, and monthly 30,000. Terminal error. Analyzing search results. Okay. Updating plan. Searching for safe neighborhoods in Atlanta, good schools, using browser. All right. Oh, I can view Manus computer. Oh, look. Okay. Here we go. Here we go. So it's working and searching suburbs, best public schools, best neighborhoods in Atlanta. All right. This is the work it's doing. Atlanta, good schools, high system load has caused an internal server error. This task is consumed. This task use is consumed for this task will be refunded. Please try again or create a new task. All right, cool. Refunded, and we'll try back again later. But here is, so it actually, based on that prompt, it jumped to, I can't really tell that site. That looks like Reddit. Another site, that looks like Quora. Definitely YouTube, that's what that is. So I did a search for all the safest neighborhoods in Atlanta. It's compiling that information, and I guess it's going to cross-reference it and kick out an answer, but it stopped here. All right, we'll try back again here in a second. All right, here we go. So it started again. Looks like it's writing its own code. Ubuntu is writing its own code to do a property search. It's creating its own to-do list, calculate affordable price based on 30 grand, determine appropriate down payment amount, calculate asset. So these are the tasks that it's given itself to do, that once it completes these tasks, it's going to generate a report with those findings. All right, what's going on over here on this side? Determine housing budget. So those were the tasks that it's doing, and here it generated the to-do list on this side, and over here I guess it's checking it off. And as you can see here, it's writing its own code to scrape and search, and it's creating the files. Python, I see Python in there. And again, this is all autonomous. Just one prompt in there. I can't remember what I said. Yeah, family, 2 kids, 1 kindergarten, 1. Forgot the second age, 30 grand, monthly income, find a safe neighborhood, safety is a priority. So I was looking at the budget, conservative budget, moderate, maximum amount. Okay, this is a TXT file. So all these files, it's creating all these files and is actually going to have these files available. So not only is it going to do the work, it's going to source it, show you where it found the data at, and generate a comprehensive report, but also give you the all the files based on the work that it's doing. Now we're into it. 4 minutes? It looks like 4 minutes. Had to reset it a couple times because there was a high workload going on into the server. We continue. What's it doing here? And also, something else that I saw that also does, like if it goes to a website and it encounters a CAPTCHA code, it'll pause and it'll ask me to, to go ahead and execute the CAPTCHA. And again, everything you see on the right-hand side of this screen is what it's doing on its own. As you can see, your Manus is working, researching safe neighborhoods in Atlanta. And up here, monthly household budget range. I'm pretty sure it's doing that on the standard Fannie Freddie ratios. I think that's a given, even though I'm not seeing what it's basing those the budget range on. I'm pretty sure it's going to be Fannie Freddie. And again, this is, it's working right now. In Atlanta with low crime rates, researching safe neighborhoods in Atlanta with low crime rates. Okay. In there, viewing the browser. Yeah, this is what I was talking about earlier. Like if it encounters, these are some of the results. Brandon Castlewood, Club Forest. So it's researching safe neighborhoods in Atlanta. Now it looks like it's jumping to identify neighborhoods with quality schools. So look at the crime rates first. Now it's looking for quality schools for middle and kindergarten students. Wow. Justin Landis, you must have Justin Landis group. You must have a good SEO going. Because Manus snatched you up, buddy. No kindergarten. So is that Justin Landis? Okay, so this is actually my first time using it. Very first time using this. I haven't used this before, so pardon the bumpy ride because I'm learning, figuring this out along with you guys. So look, I checked out niche, 8 to 12, best school district, like the Google search. And okay, so I did a search. Those sites came up. It browsed this site, browsed Justin Landis' site. Okay, scrolling down. Okay, scrolling down. So that's what it's doing here. Scrolling down. So scrolling down on Justin's site. So again, I'm doing nothing. I'm like hands off. It's doing all this for me, and we're 8 minutes into this, 9 minutes into this. Buford is showing test scores, proficiency rate. Look at this, man. Look at this. Class size average of 18 students. That's what I'm talking about. Not 40 students a classroom or something crazy like that. Let's get them to 20. Let's scroll down. So this is, again, the to-do list. To-do MD. Again, this is my very first time using this. I'm learning as we go. So now it's going to do a property search, target, neighborhoods. Where was I? So is this the complete? No, this is another list here. Separate list. Wow. So finding properties in neighborhoods that offer both safety and quality schools. Now it's doing a property search. So first it searched the crime rates, right? Then it looked at the schools, neighborhoods with quality schools. Now finding properties in neighborhoods that offer both safety and quality schools within the budget range. Finding properties in target neighborhoods that offer both safety. I'm currently searching for specific properties in these neighborhoods that match your budget. I'm encountering some technical limitations with real estate websites, but I'll continue gathering property information to provide you with a comprehensive analysis of available options. So did the crime, did the schools. Now I was looking for properties. Looks like now I was looking for North Buckhead, Atlanta, within that budget range, 1.6 to 2.1. Whose site is this? Now it's at realtor.com. So you jumped over to realtor.com, not scraping realtor.com. Very cool. Is this recording? I sure hope so. Testing. Yeah, it is. Fun property. Creating a file. Probably should have told it, gave it a cap on how many properties to find. Find 3 properties. Because we're already 12 minutes in. Property 1. Set the zip code 218, built 2018, Atlanta Public Schools. So North Atlanta High School. It's pretty cool. It's pretty decent. Swimming pool, 3-car garage. Property 2. Sarah Smith. So it's been North Atlanta. Okay, again, North Atlanta. So these are North Buckhead. Okay. So we're going North Buckhead. Now he's jumping to Brookhaven. Properties from Brookhaven. Wish I could see right here where it's creating a product. Okay, so it's at Realtor. Scraping these from Realtor. So what determines if it's going to go to Realtor, go to Zillow? Well, it was at Just Atlantis. So that's I believe Just Atlantis is kind of is independent. So I kind of think it's there isn't a bias in here. I don't know. File operation error trying to resolve. Manus encountered some issues while performing this action. No need to worry. It'll handle the errors on its own. You go, boy. You go. Edit it out. Excuse me for a second. I gotta return a call. I'm saying that for something else. Okay, sorry folks, I had to step away from the screen. So creating comparative analysis report of Atlanta properties for the user. It's thinking. Okay, so look, okay, so it's moving along. Alright, that would meet your family's needs for safety and quality education for both. Oh, I missed something up here. What's all this? Man, I've completed a comprehensive analysis for Atlanta properties that met your criteria based on your monthly income of $30,000. I've identified several neighborhoods that offer both safety and quality schools within your budget range of 1.6 to 2.1. Here are my top recommendations. North Buckhead, highest safety rating in Atlanta, excellent schools, including Sarah Smith Elementary, a second middle school, property average between 1.9. Modern features and technology, strong investment potential, with 4.5% annual appreciation. Johns Creek, best overall school rating, excellent 9 out of 10 across all levels, very low crime rate. Spacious home, further down, Brookhaven, excellent balance for safety. Schools and accessibility. Marta Homes with chefs, kitchens, and home offices. Good values with average price range around 1.77. Druid Hills, historic charm with excellent, okay. Boom, boom, boom. Closest to downtown. Property features historic architecture with modern updates. Findings, modern mountain views with luxury finishes, strong amenities. Good value with property range average at 1.81. Middle schools rated slightly lower than other neighborhoods. I'm experiencing some technical limitations. So what's going on here? Creating a comparative analysis report. Atlanta properties for users. I've completed my analysis of Atlanta properties that match your criteria for safety, quality schools, your budget range based on your budget range based on $30,000 monthly income. Here's a comprehensive comparison of the top neighborhoods I recommend. Boom, price analysis, pricing, school quality, 8 out of 10, 9 out of 10, 8 out of 10, 9 out of 10. Safety rankings, boom, boom, boom. Property features, investment potential, commute considerations based on your priorities of safety and quality schools. Would you like for me to provide more specific information about any of these neighborhoods or aspects of the analysis? I'll say none of that for now. Thanks for allowing me to assist you with your property research. I'll provide a comprehensive analysis of neighborhoods that offer both safety and quality. Okay. Would you like for me to provide more detailed information? Focus on particular aspects. I'm happy to refine my recommendation based on it. Got you. Manus completed current task is ready for new requests or revisions. Okay. How was that? Now let me see if I can find a report here. There's reports. Or documentation rather. Let's see where the documentation is. View all files in this task. Okay, here we go. Here we are, folks. Here we are. Sample listings, property listings, target neighborhoods, quality schools, safe neighborhoods, budget results, documents, images, no images, code files, don't need those, links, don't need those. See sample property listings. Okay, and these are all the files. Now, how do I find it? But no links to the actual property listing are representative of typical homes in these neighborhoods within a specific price range. Due to technical limitations with real estate websites, specific current listings could not be accessed. That was my question. You're a mind reader. I was like, okay, but where's the link to the actual property? Actual available properties may vary in feature and pricing. I can respect that. All right, view all files in this task. Whoa. What happened? Where'd it go to? Where'd it go? Probably search. Okay, let's go. Okay, I was in the wrong. Target neighborhoods. Okay, cool, got that. Go back, next. Property. Quality schools. Okay, yeah, and these are reports and these are the files. You can get them in PDF. You can export them as PDF. You can copy. So that's it. Thoughts, man.